Hello, everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is what I'm going to start with. Thank you. Thank you so much. I have so much gratitude for you showing up at I Love Babylon. Uh, Check this out. I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes here. Got 85,000 impressions in the last 28 days. And I just want to say thank you so much for showing up at I Love Babylon. And I know it's because we're posting all the local events. We're sending out emails regarding them. And we've started sending out these local guides on Wednesday. Here's one about beaches, pools, and spray parks. Here's one about the summer entertainment schedule, including um, the movies and the concerts. Here's one over here for fairs, festivals, and farmers market. I get it. Thank you so very much. I know you're coming here specifically for some of that stuff, but I know you're also receiving the emails to remind you. One on Monday for the events of the week, one on Friday for the events of the weekend, and of course the one on Wednesday, which is sending over those special guides that are specific. Also, so much traffic is also increasing over at the Facebook page, but that's partially because, yes, we are running ads. At this point, we've got only 7,000 likes, but we're at 47.8 thousand views on a regular basis. Right now, we're running ads. We've only been running them for about 15 days and for about $5 a day, but over 11,856 people have seen it. We've gotten 200 people go to our landing page, and we're acquiring those customers at about 37 cents per person, right? That's amazing. If you're a local business and you're not taking advantage of inexpensive, long-term social media ads, you need to give me a call and check it out. I'm only spending $150 a month on these ads, drawing people in. Yes, I have something special that I'm giving away, but the truth is you can do that as well. And of course, one of the new things that we added last year was our local business listings. And you can see here recently, the last thing we had, some plumbers and some HVAC guys, contractors, that kind of thing. Look at these guys. They're having a great time over at Premier Electric and Design. And the whole idea is if we're receiving this kind of traffic on a regular basis, I would like to share that with local independent small businesses on that local business directory site. And as a result, we are building a brand new babylonlocal.com site specifically for local independent small businesses around the town of Babylon. We're going to be sending you traffic that we've already acquired, and basically it'll spill over into your uh, a rising tide lifts all boats. I don't see why I can't share some of this traffic with you if you get your business on this site, especially this new one that's coming up that is set up to take care of the follow-up that you normally need to get your customers in through your doors or into your inbox to get more leads. This is what you need. It'll help you out immensely. And I'm not going to be asking for a monthly, just a simple, small annual charge. You'll be surprised at what that is. Of course, there are going to be some free sites as well, but I think we're going to close up the free ones because it wouldn't be fair to the people who are paying. All right. So check it out. Come this weekend. We're opening the cart to set that up, and we're going to have a special introductory price before we open it up to everybody and share this traffic with as many people as we possibly can. Okay. You guys have a great week, a great weekend. Enjoy your summer, but stay cool. Do not do anything I wouldn't do. All right. Hope to see you around town.